All right, so we are doing our ending consonant digraphs. All right, so we have the sh sound, we have the sound, we have the ing sound, and we have the ch sound. All right, and we just going along with all of our pictures, which are our words, and we're going to decipher where our pictures go on our digraph. Okay, and before we move on here, let me explain ending consonant digraphs. Okay, so first of all, a consonant is any letter that's not a vowel. So any letter that's not A, E, I, O, U is a consonant, right? So when you take two consonant sounds such as TH or SH or CH or NG, all of those are consonant letters. So when you do the digraphs, it's just putting two consonant letters together that make the sound. So these are ending consonants. We could be doing beginning consonants, but we're doing ending consonants. And so we're doing words that correlate to these ending consonant sounds. Okay, and they're digraphs because we're putting two consonants together. Okay, let's go. McKenna chose fish. So fish doesn't make the sh sound, ing sound, or sound. Where does fish go on our digraph?
This one?
Very good, because we spell fish F-I-S-H. Fish. Very good. Fish. Now choose a new picture or a new word. Okay, that one is, what is she doing?
In the bathtub.
Yes, so she's taking a bath. Okay, she's taking a bath. All right, so does it make the sh sound, the th sound, the ch sound, or the ing sound? Bath.
Or this one?
That's the ing sound.
Or this one?
Very good, because it is the th sound. So B-A-T-H, bath. Very good. And just for those of you that are watching, McKenna, how old are you?
4.
McKenna is 4 years old, and it's not too early to start consonants, vowel sounds, long vowel sounds, short vowel sounds, plurals, all of those things. Go ahead and get them built up. And you don't start with foundational things, of course. They need to know their letters. They need to know their letter sounds and things like that. But once you build them up to that place, go ahead and continue to teach. All right, so McKenna is 4. She is, I would say, 4.5 safely now. But we definitely something that you should be working on with your 4-year-old. All right, so let's choose a new picture or a new word. Go ahead. What is that?
A zone.
It's a spring.
Spring.
A spring. So does spring end with the sh sound, the ch sound, the th sound, or the ing sound?
This one?
Very good. That is spring, because we spell spring S-P-R-I. Spring. Spring. Like boingy, 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 boingy. Yeah, spring.
Like that?
Okay, so McKenna took this one. It's match. She thought it was a drumstick, which it could be looked at as a drumstick, but it is match. And she was able to, once I gave her the correct word, match it to the CH sound. Another word. What is that?
A peach.
That is a peach. It's like, let's see. Ooh, yeah, that's a peach. All right. Does peach make the th sound, the ing sound, the sh sound, or the ch sound?
This one?
Peach. Very good. P E A. CH. Beach. My A's a little big there.
I just got a peach. Taste down the blind.
That's right. P-E-A. Peach. Very good, McKenna. Okay, so let's go with a new word. What is that?
A branch.
A branch. Let me see that picture. A branch. Okay. So the branch has the ending consonant sound of sh, ing, or ch.
Or it goes to this one?
Branch? Branch? How does it sound at the end? Branch?
But.
Ch, ch. So what makes that sound? Very good, very good. So we're here. So we spell branch, B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch.
Branch.
Okay. This, before I go on, this is the answer key. So it, I have it where you don't need it, but it's, it's an answer key. And you can use it in other ways to teach them, or if they're not sure, and kind of show them at the end, but this is our answer key. As your little learner gets a little bit more comfortable, I would not so much say, okay, the sound for each one each time, like I've been doing, like the English, I would just say, where does this word go? Once we agree on what the word is, okay? So, McKenna, I'm going to have you pick another picture. Oh, we already did branch, so let's move back. Okay. What picture did you choose?
This one.
What is that?
A garland.
It's a wreath. Say a wreath?
A wreath.
A wreath. So, a wreath, okay, does it go here, 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 or here? Where does wreath go?
Here.
Very good, because it has the th consonant sound at the end. Okay, so that is our wreath. W-R-E-A-T-H, wreath. Very good. All right, so I'm going to end it there, but hopefully you got some insight. This is something you could make at home. Just take some paper and make little boxes, and then take maybe some note cards and make what you see here. All right, so you make boxes, and then you take note cards, and maybe cut the note cards in half and use those like that. But it's something you can model and do at home, and then come up with some pictures, maybe online, print them out, cut them out, and just do this and let it be a regular everyday activity. I actually have different ones here for plurals. We have some for vowel sounds. We have ending consonant blends. We have long vowel sounds and diphthongs. So there's different ones here. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.